Alright, this is Alfie with Juanita and Thomas. Okay. He's gonna attack the feathers. Attack him! Attack him! Alfie is a great kitten for kids. Because he will never slow down. Whoa, those are my feet. Hey now. Hey, mister. Get him. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. He's so vicious. Good cat. Yeah, if you shake it up.
Huh?
Can you, like, swirl it around?
Like that?
No, like, hold it and go like this. Yeah. There we go. Let's see what he does. Let his little head go. Let his little head go. What's he gonna do?
Do it again.
Do it again, do it again. Alright, the end.